Hello friend, welcome to Stitch It Pretty. My name is Punita. Today we'll do a quick tutorial on the running stitch. And we'll also try a couple of variations. Here I have some fabric, it's ready. Now let's go ahead with the running stitch. I have marked the points here so that it's easy to follow along. We'll bring the needle up at point A and take it down on point B. Now when you pull the thread, try to make it so it's almost parallel to the fabric, but not pulling too hard. It should just kind of lay almost flat. Bring it up again on point C. Take it down at point D. Again, be gentle in your pulling, not too hard. Now shall we try it on a smaller stitch? Bring it up at one point, take it down on the next. Leave a gap which is about the same size as the stitch you have taken, and then bring it up. And down again. Now we'll try it again in an even smaller stitch. You can go as big or as tiny as you like. Whether it's a straight line or a curved line, it remains just as simple. Now let's try some small variations with the running stitch. We'll make the stitch on the front a little bit bigger and stitch on the back a little bit smaller. So we took a slightly bigger stitch in the front, a teeny tiny stitch in the back. See how it looks very different from the previous two lines that we embroidered? All we've done is varied the size of the stitch. Looks like almost like a full line. So this is a variation we are trying, in which we are doing small little stitches on the front and bigger stitches on the back. This can be used for embellishing clothing, especially when it's a printed fabric. It looks really pretty. So friend, you're probably seeing these holes in the fabric. So what happened is that I kept recording, I kept doing what I was doing, only to realize later that my phone had run out of storage and none of it actually got recorded. So I'm doing it all over again. I removed the thread and I just started doing it again. In this last variation, we will do the running stitch with equal size stitches, which we saw initially, like here. And then what we'll do is we'll come back in the opposite direction and fill these gaps. So I'm starting my running stitch here. I'll go down here. Now I'll bring it up where there's a gap here. So by doing it this way, we've completely filled up this line. It almost gives the feeling of a back stitch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, friend. Please subscribe to my channel to make sure you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye, friend.